Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. In this Waves plugins mini-series, I'm looking at my favorite Waves audio plugins, and this one is going to take a music track you've got and take it from average to sounding amazing. So if you're really enjoying these videos, make sure to like this one, also subscribe to my channel, and do ding the bell so you never miss another video from me. So today I'm going to be talking about Infected Mushroom Pusher. Not only do I really like the name of this plugin, but actually, in my opinion, it's the best mastering plugin I've come across. Not only because it was designed by an EDM duo of the same name, Infected Mushroom, but it's very simple to use, and also the layout is gorgeous, beautiful, and colourful, all things I like. So I'm going to play this music track now. It's just banging beats from our Music Radio Creative Sound Effects Library Volume 6. Now this is okay, but it could be better. So let's crank up the magic and get it sounding good. So the first thing I'm going to do is push the magic up to around the 67% part. You'll hear nothing changes until I start changing and twiddling these dials. The most important one is push, because it really pushes down the gain a bit and kind of compresses the audio. Let's listen. Okay, now you can't hear any change just yet because I need to make sure the plugin is enabled. Now let's try. Now you can hear the difference. Wow. A little bit of that goes a long way. And if we actually go to the preview window, you'll see what's happening already. And you'll see certainly down here, it's a lot more compressed and hard limited. You can actually change it to a limit mode instead of a clip mode here. That's really sounding pretty good, isn't it? I really like that already. So let's switch off the preview mode for the moment and have a little bit more of a play with this. We can push up the body of the music coming through now, which is really good. Where you're really going to get a lot of value, I think, are adding the high, so the crispiness. Bring out the top end of the music, add a little bit of low end, change this to the right key as well, just here. Really nice and bassy. And then dynamic punch to make it really punchy, to make that music really punch out of your speakers. We might actually need to go ahead and bring down that output ever so slightly so it's not so loud. We don't actually have to do it here in the audio editor itself. We can actually change the output here as well inside the plugin, which might be a more intuitive way to do it. Looking at the before and after, let's open up the preview window and see how the wave looks. Look at that, nicely compressed, mastered, really hard to talk over it. So we went from this, the original, sounding like this, to eventually a bit of music that sounds like this with a bit of mastering. Wow. Let's switch it off. And we're back to that kind of flimsy, kind of normal sounding piece of audio. So Infected Mushroom Pusher has lots of stuff. Your input gain obviously here, your highs, your lows, the body to your music, the push, how much it's pushing down and kind of compressing that sound. Oh, stereo image is something I should also mention. Very, very handy to have. Let's switch off preview, increase the stereo image, and you'll hear this track will get more and more stereo. Now it's really spread out across the speakers. Let's go to the end bit so you can listen to a bit more. Really cool. You've got control over the output gain as well. It's Infected Mushroom Pusher. It's really good. With my link, you can get 10% off as well. mrc.fm/waves. That is mrc.fm/waves for an awesome looking plugin like that. It can help you with mastering of not just music, but also jingles, commercials, just anything you're producing that needs a real punch to the sound. And I love this as a mastering plugin. Let me know how you're going to be using it in the comments down below.